Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to UGCNet Self Preparation channel. In this video, we are going to see the National Scholarship Portal and we are going to see the different schemes. That means while coming to the central schemes, how many scholarships are there, and coming to the UGC schemes, how many scholarships are there, and in the statewide schemes, how many scholarships are there. So that we are going to see all the different types of schemes under the National Scholarship Portal. And here you register, and after registering as per your caste category and as per your marks and everything, you are going to get the scholarship. Okay, so now I am going to show you the official website of this National Scholarship Portal, and then I am going to show how to register and what are the details and how to check the central UGC and statewide schemes, and that you can check yourself that you belongs to which type of category, all these things. So before going into the details, if you are not subscribed at the channel, please do subscribe, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get the notifications or videos regarding career guidance before and after qualifying the UGC NET exam, and the UGC NET paper 1 self preparation videos and paper 2 electronic science videos, and the different teaching positions or vacancies and PhD notifications, and how to publish the journals and conferences. So all these details you are going to get them as a notifications to your mobiles, laptops or desktops if you subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the National Scholarship Portal. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And coming to this one, here you can check that what are the different schemes are there. See, these are all the central schemes, and if you want to check the UGC schemes, then click on this one, and then again click on this one, and you can see that these are all the UGC schemes. And out of all the UGC schemes, you can just verify which scheme is an open. Open schemes are in green color and the closed schemes are in red color. And you can also check the state-wise schemes. That means if you are from Assam, then click on this Assam, then you are going to see all the different types of schemes. Those are available to your state. Okay, so like this you can able to check here. And while coming to the central schemes, if you want to check as per the, if you want to check the Department of Higher Education, then click on this one. Then you can see that the Department of Higher Education scheme, which one is active right now. So right now this scheme is active, that is Central Sector Scheme of Scholarships for College and University Students, and it is open till 30th November 2019, and the institute verification is also 30th 11 2019. And the scheme closing date, of course the scheme is closed already yesterday, that is 15th November 2019, of course. So depending upon your category, you can check whatever the schemes you want from here. And if you want to check the latest updates, so all the latest updates are going to scroll down here, so you can check down here the latest updates regarding the which scheme is an active and what is the last date of the schemes, and each and everything you can able to check here. And here how to register. See, here the new registration is there. See, first look at this cartoon, get yourself registered of National Scholarship Portal, and online application verification will be done, and after that scholarship amount credited directly into the student account. Okay, so like that it can be beneficial for your education and each and everything. And now while coming to the registration wise, so you click on this new registration, then you will be directed to one web page which allows to register yourself. So these are all the guidelines, how to apply and what are the things you have to fill up in the application form: date of birth, state of domicile, and the scholarship category, you belongs to which scholarship, and the name of the student, and the mobile number, and email ID, bank account details, identification details. So all these things you have to fill up in the online application form. Okay, if you want to continue, then click all these things and just click on this continue. Okay, so like that you will be get some kind of beneficial amount from the government, whatever the stage you are. That means if you are studying the undergraduation, then you can able to get the scholarship from the government, and if you are doing the research, then you can able to get scholarship from the government. So like that, depending upon the your category, you can able to select any one of the things, and you can search all the different types of schemes as per your category. what are the schemes under the central, what are the schemes under the UGC, and what are the schemes under the state. So like that, this portal will be very beneficial to all the different types of categories. Okay, I mean to all the different types of students or any kind of categories. So it is the content that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. Okay? So if you want to get the more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends and colleagues as maximum as possible. Why? Because it is very good information to them also. If you register as per your category, you are going to get the scholarship from the government. Okay, so it is a content that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And for more updates, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.